lotion, snap. Hey guys, it's your girl Kaeleighh back with another banger, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my emergency kit. Now, I've had this bag for a really long time. It's just a black Calvin Hill bag. For your emergency kit, I do recommend like a bag around this size. So if you have a bag that's like around this size that you can get from Shein, you can use this, but a lot of the stuff I have in my bag are pretty big. I was gonna use this bag, but a bag this size can still work. But I have this one, and this one is stuffed to the brim. Like, you can, I don't know if you can tell, but like, yeah, like you can see the stuff like poking out. Like, it is stuffed to max capacity. And I do have quite a lot of stuff in here. Let's open the bag. Okay, so right off the bat, the most important thing to have in your emergency kit is pads and or tampons. So in this bag, I have supers and regulars, and I have 3 of each, so yeah. And then I have 3 pads. This one is a sports one, and these are regular ones. I don't really wear pads like that because I'm allergic to pads, so these are mainly like for giving out to people. Like, literally the most important thing you could ever have in your emergency kit. If you don't have it in your emergency kit, you're doomed, because what if you start unexpectedly? Then period trackers are not accurate. You may come on before or after it says you're supposed to come on. So I have these to make sure that I am good. Also, if you saw my what's in my backpack video, I will be linking it down below. If you guys saw that, I do recommend bringing like a pair of black leggings or pants. If you have a car, you can leave it in your car. If you have a book bag that's big enough, you can put it in your book bag. It's good if you bleed out and you messed up your pants. I have some body spray. This is not like a perfume, it's not very strong. It's just by this brand. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's by this brand, and it's a pillow mist, so it's very, very light. So I'm pretty sure you could spray this in class and people wouldn't really have a bad allergic reaction to it. But it's just a scent. It's called Chamomile Jasmine, and this smells really, really good. This is good if you want to freshen up throughout the day. Another thing I have is deodorant. Yes, this is men's deodorant, but they only had this one in Dove deodorant, and I use Degree on a regular basis. So I have this one. This is good like if you have PE or if you're doing sports. I will be doing marching band this year. I might do tennis, I'm not 100% sure, but yeah. So this is good to have in your bag. I also have cough drops, and these are Ricolas. Me being in marching band makes me prone to getting sick because I'm really around a lot of people every day, especially if we're going to games and competitions and stuff. I got these if I get a cold, because I do get colds easy, and Ricolas work fast in my opinion. Every time I use Ricolas, they work fast, especially if I have a sore throat. It's not mandatory, but I got it because I saw it and I was like, this is good to have in my emergency kit just in case I get a cold. I also have these 2 things. Don't mind how old this lip gloss is. I've had this lip gloss for almost a year now, so like the label came off, but this is just some lip gloss. You can get this from the beauty supply store. That's where I got this. And then I have my Vaseline, because these 2 go together. Don't just have lip gloss. Don't just apply lip gloss on your lips, because a lot of these lip glosses are sticky and it's not really good for your lips for real. So you want to have this or any kind of lip balm. You can just do this if you're feeling simple and don't have to do this. I'm not saying you have to have lip gloss, but out of anything, this is the most mandatory thing to have. So I have Vaseline and this. So these are my lip combos. Make sure you have your lip products. Even though COVID isn't big or anything or whatever, germs are still in the air. So you're gonna need your hand sanitizers. This is just a hand sanitizer I got for career day. One of the places that was there had these, so I took it. Get you like a Purell one from Dollar Tree or Walmart or Target. And then I have my Smell Good hand sanitizer I got from Bath and Body Works. It's the Sunny Lemon Orchard, and this stuff smells really good. I love lemon scents, and this smells really good. And the reason why I say you should get a real hand sanitizer and a Smell Good hand sanitizer is because Smell Good hand sanitizer ain't nothing but alcohol and glitter. This is more reliable because this has more alcohol. Another thing that goes with that is having disinfectant wipes. I got these from Target. As you can see, it's the Up and Up brand. These are really good to wipe down your desk, because tell me why. I go in one of my teacher's classrooms and I go to my desk and it's stuff that's sticky on there, and at that time I didn't have anything to wipe my desk down with, and I wasn't about to go to the teacher and ask him if he had disinfectant wipes. So make sure you have some of your own, because personally I'm really shy. I'm not about to go walk up to the teacher's desk and be like some Miss so-and-so, Mr. so-and-so. So make sure you have some of these, because it be some strange stuff that be on our desks. And then you don't know who sat there before you. You don't know if they was sick or they was like getting sick, but they was sneezing and all of that on your desk. So make sure you have some of these to wipe down your desk, because we're not trying to get sick. I also have this lotion. Now, you don't have to be bougie like me and get Coach lotion. My mom gave me this a while ago and I barely use it, but it's just the Coach Dreams. You can see it's been used because it's like scratched up. This is just a lotion, just in case if you forget to put on lotion. Plenty of days I forget to put on lotion and I never had lotion on me. Again, you don't have to be bougie like me and have Coach lotion. This is just what I had on hand. I didn't have to buy any. So yeah. Next, I have baby wipes. I can't stress this to you enough. You come on your period unexpectedly, you bleed out everywhere, and you don't want to sit in it. Like, it's just nasty. Or you just, overall, when you're on your period, you feel nasty. So you want to wipe down there. And I don't recommend getting flushable wipes. And I will say this, because a lot of them flushable wipes and feminine wipes have a lot of scents in it. So I got baby wipes. Even though you're not supposed to flush these are better, because these are water wipes. They are, this says 99% water. And if they're good for babies, they're gonna be good for me. And I do have another option. You can either have a big pack like this one, or you can have a small pack like this one, because this will not fit in everybody's emergency kit. So these are the two options. I got this one from Target in the travel section, and then I got this one from Dollar Tree. This is like my medicine bag or whatever. This is an earbuds case, but I'm gonna use it for like whatever. I have panty liners in here. I promise you I don't really use panty liners like that. And basically, if you guys don't know what panty liners are for like when you're off your period, or you're spotting, or you're on your ovulation and you don't want to mess up your underwear. These are what they're good for, but I really don't use these like that. Alcohol wipes and antiseptic wipes for like if you have a cut or something. And then I have some band-aids. I have like the regular like ones like this. I have a couple big ones like these. You may get a paper cut or whatever. You shouldn't really get many cuts in high school, I will say that, because you're not like running around, but you never know, because things happen. I know me, I'm not going to nobody's nurse's office to go get a band-aid. With that, my nurse is never there. Like, she's there maybe once or twice out of the week, but she's never there. Like, you'll be like, something might happen to you and you have to go to the nurse. They're not there. I just have these just in case. Lastly, in that bag, I have my medicines. So these are allergy pills. These are just Zyrtex, and these are ibuprofens. Now, I will say this: you are not supposed to be bringing medicine to school. Some schools allow it, but really you can't pass it out to people, because you never know how they're gonna react to the medicine. If you give somebody that's never had ibuprofen before or whatever, and you give them ibuprofen and they have an allergic reaction, you're gonna get in trouble for giving that child medicine. So do not pass it out. And even if you're gonna take this because I be taking medicine in class and nobody be knowing. I don't be opening up my bag and pop it in my mouth, be all dramatic about it, make sure everybody sees that I'm taking medicine. I just take one out, slip it in my mouth, grab my water, and I drink it. That's all I do. You don't want to get in trouble for medicine. Please. Really, the best option is to not bring medicine to school. But I know me. I know my cramps are horrible. So I bring ibuprofen. I have a lint roller. This is something I did not do last year. I did not bring me a lint roller. And I should have bought me a lint roller and I never did. But I do wear a lot of black. And this is good if you have pets too. But if you wear a lot of black and you have a lot of pets, these are good to have, because you don't want to be looking stupid with lint balls all up on your shirt, all up on your pants, or dog fur all up on your shirt or whatever. So I have this, so you don't have to worry about it. I got my edge control and my edge brush. Make sure when you're going to school you bring your good edge brush. I don't really be sharing my edge brush like that. I really don't wear my edges out at school for real, but recently I have. Make sure you have your edge brush or toothbrush, whatever you use for your edges, maybe a comb, whatever you use for your edges, and your edge control. I got this edge brush from Temu. It was like a couple cents. You don't gotta get a nice fancy one. This will do the job. Even though like the old crusty ones be doing the job, make sure you got one of these. If you're doing your edges at school, would you rather have your nasty, dirty edge brush that got all the gunk? Or would you want something that looks like this, nice and brand new? I would prefer the brand new one. You can also add Got2b glue spray. I don't really use Got2b glue on my edges. I really use this on my edges and it stays all day. Make sure you have this, especially if you wear edges, or if you're a wig girly. Do have you some underwear. Black is the preferred underwear. Any color will do, but make sure you change your underwear. You do not want to sit on your blood. That is the most disgusting feeling ever, especially if you come on and you have like a really big accident. Have you this, especially if you're not putting a pad on. If you're putting in a tampon, that is disgusting. I'm not singing blood, so I have me an extra pair of underwear just in case. I have a compact mirror. This is good if you want to check yourself in class. Make sure your makeup is good. Make sure your edges are good, because people will just let you look stupid in class. You could have like lint on your face or like something like an eye booger or something, and they will not tell you that it's on your face. So make sure you have like something you can check, because you can't always have your phone out. So make sure you have this. Last but not least, you will need a phone charger. This is a fast charger, but I have multiple of these, so I just took one and I put it in here. Fast charger is like way like more convenient than like a regular USB charger, because if you're trying to charge your phone really fast, you have this. Because I stay after school, this is good to have, and my phone battery is horrible. Like, it's horrible. By the time I get to third block, my phone is at 20%. Third block is around 11, 12 o'clock. So I have one of these. If you can't charge your phone in class, have you a power bank. I don't have one. I'm not to buy me one because I don't have one, but make sure you have you a charger, especially if you're staying at school. At school for over 12 hours a day. I get to school at 7 and I don't leave till 6, 7 o'clock. Sure you have a charger. You guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. And also comment down below when you start school. I start school August 1st, just found that out. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.